Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about the mirror feature in SolidWorks. So, mirror helps you mirror different features inside your parts. So, it's good for anytime you have any sort of symmetry and you don't want to repeat it, just take advantage of symmetry. So, we're going to go ahead and create a rectangle or a box, same thing. And in here, maybe you have like a special cut. Here we're just gonna make some weird random cut. Maybe it's like solar systems, who knows what, or a deformed Mickey Mouse maybe. But here you're gonna extrude cuts. We're gonna cut these like special patterns. I didn't actually select everything. Yeah, let's just go ahead and select everything. So there's this like weird cut pattern, and then maybe you want it to mirror across. So you could go ahead and create a reference plane right in the middle. Then you could come here and mirror it. Features to mirror, you could mirror this feature, and then the plane is already selected. So you can see it made a mirror image. Then, as before, if you change your part here, made it even weirder, and you exit, you see that sometimes you might get a mistake if your cut extrude didn't update. So in this case, you actually have to reselect all the contours. I'm just going to choose something different this time for the fun of it. And you see that it mirrored this weird shape here, okay? So that pretty much summarizes the mirror tool. Again, it's great for symmetry, and that way I don't have to draw this weird shape twice, okay? So if you found this video helpful, give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.